Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices, your AirPods and an Apple device. Once the AirPods are nearby, pair them to the Apple device and enable active noise cancellation in Settings or Control Center. This step programs the ANC mode into the AirPods firmware, so make sure ANC is active and sounds suppressed before you move on. Do it now, don't skip verifying audio changes. Once done, disconnect the AirPods cleanly. Use the device's Bluetooth menu to preserve the ANC state. Next, pair the AirPods with your Android phone. Put the case button in pairing mode, then select the AirPods from Bluetooth on Android. Make sure media audio is enabled so music routes correctly. Play a familiar track and notice background noise reduction. The ANC state you set earlier should remain active. If you don't hear full suppression, toggle Bluetooth off and on, then repair. Sometimes the ANC flag doesn't apply until a fresh connection establishes the active audio profile. To finish, confirm ANC is consistently active during real use, calls, and media. If noise cancelling seems absent, reboot Android and pair again. That often forces the AirPods to honor the stored ANC setting. If problems persist, repeat the quick Apple device step to reassert ANC in firmware, then reconnect to Android. One key troubleshooting tip: check for AirPods firmware updates on an Apple device. Outdated firmware can prevent persistence of ANC across non-Apple connections, so update, then try again.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.